At Motors for UK, we guide you step by step through the V62 process.
Everyone tells you no V5C, no sale. But is that actually true in 2026? We're breaking down the legal way to buy a car without a logbook and the 10 old banned mistakes that could cost you thousands. Buying a car without a logbook used to be a massive no-go. But never buy a car without a logbook without running a full history check first. Never, ever buy a car without a logbook without running a full history check first. The HPI check is your only digital shield. If a seller tries to rush you past this step, the deal is banned. If the HPI report is provided, then it's a green signal.
And the 10 banned mistakes that could cost you thousands. If there's no logbook, you are banned from meeting in a public car park. You must see the car at the seller's registered address. Without that, you have no protection. That deal is banned. In 2026, the DVLA is stricter than ever. If you enter the wrong bin, your application could be delayed for weeks. Looking to buy a car, but worried about missing paperwork? The V62 form is a legal tool. It can help you land a great deal. Just remember, stay diligent, check the bin, and always get a receipt. Looking to buy a car, but worried about missing paperwork? At Motors for UK, we guide you step by step through the V62 process. Provide verified VIN checks. HPI Clear vehicle, verified. HPI Clear, proper receipts, so you can buy with confidence. If this video saved you from a costly mistake, hit like and subscribe for more no-nonsense car buying advice.
Congratulations on your new car.
I'll see you in the next one.